Welcome back to the channel, guys. No mind my face, because I rain from this I come out I rain. You understand? Welcome back to Shanice Lifestyle. I'm wanna watch the movie to the very end. You understand? Comment on the honest comment down in the comment section as well. And for the returning subscriber, then big up on yourself. The new one then welcome to the family. You understand? Big up on yourself. Talk yourself.
Yes. Are you not sweet, sir? Me know, baby, yeah, man. I think I phone you back. I think I call you back. Yeah, the daughter come. Alright. You alright?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, baby. You good?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What go? Yeah, man. What going for you now?
Ma talk to us.
Anything?
How come you don't send me to stay with my father?
Me say anything. Me never tell you if you bring up that crosses and spoil me day.
Because that me they want to talk to you about.
I have my reasons, man.
I thought we can even live together then.
I definitely have my reasons.
So me can't know a reason there be.
Me not come in between you and your father relationship. Me no want nothing to do with that. Yeah, me no want nothing to do with that. You want to take you for go foreign. For go take file for my daughter. Like saying want own you. Huh? If it was to live with him, it wouldn't be too bad. We wouldn't stop it because you would get opportunities you can't get yourself. How me for stop it? Him want to take you to his mother and his side of the family that me no know. Him not even talking good about. And I just say want drop you, my one baby. To drop you and leave you and gone gallivanting. No, sir. But you turn under my nose. Me know say you're safe. Me know say you're good. And God will help you.
But mommy, if you think me be nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong?
Remember say me have phone and me can call you. So if not wrong, me can call if you come for me and send me location.
So when them a drop like your backside or a starve out your backside, by the time you for call me for raise money, me for raise visa or not, look, I remember say me not have no visa, you know. Are you made a file for him now? File for me.
I don't think they're so bad though. I think they're so wicked to me.
Mm.
And as our grandchild.
Deirdre never thinks so neither. And on the house bottom, them put her for sleep. You forget her.
Offering.
Her mother gone a foreign, leave her with her best friend. And thinks her best friend not gonna do that because he's her godmother. Them have the poor child asleep on the house bottom with rat and dog. I wash them dirty drawers. When them ready, I mean I know what kind of devil lick them. They ready for boxer and lick up the poor child in her head. That not hey, my baby. No sir. But you turn under my nose. Baby love. What is for you can't unbe for you. God I go help you. If it's a so, if you forgot foreign, God I go help you.
So mommy, I come there and I can't go down again. I can't come up and come look for me.
Me not stop you and him have a relationship, you know, and your father. That can't come anywhere. That can't come anywhere. Sorry, baby. Me have my reasons, baby girl, but that can't come anywhere near me or my home. You's a big girl, you know where the town is, you know how to get pan bus and where, as you said, you have your phone, you and him can link. Me not stop that, me not wrong that, but that can't come. Ugh, ugh.
But I like how you him live. Don't live like pussy and dog. I like it.
That's why him for stay to the east and me stay to the west and everything good.
Wanna feel live good as two couple man.
Couple
But-
which parts?
Anyways, no bother with that. May I walk go to the road and come back here?
Alright, well good.
Yes.
Buy me 2 snacks when you go out, you know what I love, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh God. Get back on the phone, yes.
Man, I feel bored. I might as well go back up on my yard. Watcha. What do you look at for feel long finger them so?
I want cheese sticks me there, eat, girl.
Oh.
Yes.
So we are doing a sitting in the sun hot girl. You know no feelings
I
of feel
that's why
hot.
me have a sweater fit take a pill cushion and come here and say me black.
I feel like I must see sweaty under that. So I go on. I go up, me say me I go back up, you know, and me see you.
I said, girl, I don't know what make when you reach certain age. Just see, mother and father, your mother and father they can't agree. I don't know what happened.
And chatty. From me, know your mother and father never live together.
Me not talk about live together. Me not talk about them can't agree.
Chatty, if somebody not live together, then can't agree.
Why me can't bother? Me
Oh, well.
can't bother.
You feel glad you have your mother and you kind of know half your father. I don't know none. And I don't interested to know none. If him did want to know me, he would have find me. He left my mama from me in a belly. Oh, he did expect me to wear pampers and this. Then nothing in the collar sent to my mother. You alright? You can't worry about your pap. I wouldn't even worry about you.
That I think, but at least me stay away. This when I get up and me I talk to mother about him and my mother gets so pissed off like she didn't want to let me down. You have to just come out of her yard.
Well, you tell her what all tricks of this try. It may be not work, but it may be work. Cause a modern days now, but you can write your mother one letter stating say your father write it. You understand me I say?
Oh, like one love letter.
Yeah.
I you know, so me this the access what me could do. If you try get them back together.
Or if you want to do it nowadays style, you text one say you have an emergency down at Scotiabank. You text the other one say you have an emergency at Scotiabank and see if it two of them come to help you. When it two of them come to help you now, then buck up on one another.
You know, so that's true.
Yeah.
That's true, you know.
And if they love you, they will come faster.
Yeah.
It's an emergency.
Me know my mother that come fast. I know about
But
the
you
father
see,
part.
if they not come, nobody feel now, yeah. Alive.
And by me not feel no way, no feelings me have.
Me not
Me
think
have
your
to feel
papa
away.
go come.
Sure. Sometimes I don't know where he is no why me talk about him too, you know.
You come like say you want a friend to go tell a lie, no, but me not gonna tell you no lie.
No, me know what you tell me no.
But anyways, you can give me $100.
Me not care no money for me, you know.
You never yet have money.
Me not, no,
Pay you have to pay me for me advice them, you know. So when you see me tomorrow or later if me come back down here, you carry the $100 come give me.
make it.
So where they go now?
Me no, me just a walky place, cause me dey feel boring or something so.
Oh, alright. Me I go about my business.
Alright, me I go back down the road just.
Alright,
Me I go back over.
You are going so. Papa, I phone the big man. You must make up phone man.
Alright,
Serious thing, I know. Sure.
Phone you back.
Phone him back when I'm gone, man.
I want them. Hey!
Nobody with him, I walk.
You still come with the cross yourself. Me tell you not come back to me yard. What you do here?
Me come look for my daughter.
She not there. So
She not
lift
there.
up. She not there.
Come give some money for give her the first sale, but you walk go on.
Took you 18 years.
Took me 18 years, me know.
And you no shame?
More, sometimes, she 18 now, more bring her up a foreign with me. Because stay with me.
Bring her which part?
No far in.
You no response like that, yeah?
What you mean?
You nah bring my one pitney. for go foreign, for leave with girl and leave with woman while you go gallivanting with your concubine them. Nah happen.
No.
Eh?
Let me chill my life now, babe. I work to chill my life now.
You're not
that if you know me, no that I'm more better now.
You not experiment with my daughter.
No
Say
experiment.
not better she Tanya. If the Lord say she will go foreign and fly pan iron bird, it will make it happen. But not happen through you.
What is that?
So
So can buy groceries for her and her. Till I make up her mind. Bring her come, you know?
I don't want nothing from you. This is big for her.
Yeah.
And this is about nobody put it back in your bag. Cause this is about me I got nice tea, you know. This can cover 3 years ago, Bill. You're still not up to date yet, so come.
So you mean I'm still up to date?
Put some fertilizer on it.
You know dirt when I get fertilizer.
Shorty is a growing girl.
Yeah,
she yam now.
She 18 now.
You're not getting nothing
No,
from
no.
what not. You're not getting nothing from 1919 what not.
Listen,
I'm allow you
listen,
them.
man, you say you want a daughter, I give her a daughter. I want her back to bring over son.
No. You're not experiment with my
How can I
baby, you know.
experiment with nobody?
You don't know, you are picking yourself, you don't know how for raise picking, you don't know what you know about woman. When her monthlies come, what you gonna do?
She know she at 18 now, she know about that. We give
So
her a
when,
little dividends, we got her. Here we are going.
this is 3 years ago, and you're lucky so me not down
What
to
is that?
14.
She at 18, she can't look at work in the meantime. You know.
This bring you up to 2 years. This bring you up to barely 2 years now. Up to date. And you're lucky so me not charge you for it.
What is that?
Yeah. Hey, come in, man. Hey, see? Oh, God has show me some
Pick up before you blow.
foolishness.
Pick up
Me no want
Pick up
it.
before you blow
You have to
away.
lift up, man. Lift
She
up.
at 18,
She not
me
there
not
now.
listen,
She
she
not
at
got no
18
foreign.
now. If you don't bring, give me a bring a foreign, life will easy upon both of you. If you don't give me her now, this year, hold on for Jamaica. Jamaica is Jamaica expensive.
Yeah, foreign expensive. I mean, I don't know food.
No. So they are foreign, they get, what them call them something there again. I don't even remember what they call, but they get better treatment over there.
Which part?
Yeah,
But they're
yeah.
racist and not like black people.
No.
I mean, I bring my people.
I black part, we got the black part, almost black people there. Oh, yeah, if you may hear that.
Yes, you really want me to answer that?
Yeah, answer.
Yes, you're idiot, you're foul, you're sense foul. You really want to continue to answer. Nobody ask me question you don't want the
Listen, man,
answer.
that can't do what you have to do.
Lift up, man, she not there.
What do you mean she not there? She come here, just call me, come check her, bring her out and phone call style. Right?
Turn to the wait. Turn to the wait for the phone call. Have the phone in your hand, here.
In my pocket.
Turn to the wait for man.
Alright.
We'll call you. Turn to the wait.
Daddy, where you come from?
I come from, you go look for over there. Your son and come out to your son, man. Oh, man. Right, my father out and your son out to their father. But the camera a while ago, you know. And the first thing your mother pushed out in your hand. You want 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and 1 year ago. It's a different. When I'm telling you, oh, we want the people them they can go foreign.
Different, where my different is something.
Money 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and 1 year ago. You want different. You know, show up some money give him to give you.
You want you come back over there, no?
I know you can't tell me that, and that make it over there, so you know.
Me I tell you saying love you when you come
Love
back.
me, and disgrace that over there, so. You disgrace me. I don't love that. You call it love. That's
He really
not
love you. Just pack up your clothes and go
Pack up his clothes and go and over where. Just if I can get the papers them, so I can set them out so they can go foreign. Live a better life. You hear that? Because Jamaica hard, you know. Me have work away from you over there. You're 18 now, you know. So you can work now.
What can I work then?
What do you mean can I work? You're 18, go look work.
I can't do with no hard work. Hard work enough for me.
What do you mean hard work enough for you? How you going to get money? How you going to eat and survive? How you going to buy clothes?
You want money for me.
You're 18 years old now. I top gear money now. I give you laugh when you give me that. She have it. When that's done, I don't know what I'm going on. Oh, when you get money from me, unless with the papers them. You hear that? Get the papers them. Sorry. Nah, spend, I'm in a see where my money are going. You hear that? But see where they are finding right now, you have whole opportunity over there. You have better life over there to live. You can get a decent work, you have to kill yourself in our office work and stay so.
Alright, so me I get them and give you.
Yeah, just give with us and just do the right thing and leave them back.
So give me your money now, daddy.
Me give her the money already.
So much money I give.
Me give me even count just give her some money, but I know me not say more than 1,000 she get. US you get things from Jamaica and US. US me a work.
You what?
You deaf?
You waste.
Move with people over your ears. So they go over there,
Yes.
she have money to give you. So collect it. You come over me yard.
Alright, me I go over for your money.
So B, when you ever come give me the thing with the doctor Adam. Yes, last time it did hot. Yeah man. You know how me like. Me have to go. Alright, yeah man, later. Yeah man, check me later. Aye. What happened? You alright?
What do you have?
None of your business. You good?
Give me good. Anyways, I just see that you saw again. Yes.
No, indeed, come here, look for you.
Yeah. Anyways, you know, something can be taken back.
Who tell you if you think? Who give you permission to think?
The father girl?
Well, sometimes you know to think, man. Sometimes you know to think and talk. Here, think and just keep your mouth shut.
No, I good something I think. Good something I said to you.
Why me would I go back to that bag of bone? Me leave the crosses for a reason. Eh? But God bless me with you. So me have to still talk to that. But you see now he's 18. Me not have to deal with him. You and your father deal. Me don't want nothing to do with that then. So take that out of your mind.
Why?
Okay, not go work. That not going to work like a girl come out of big people things.
Yeah, there's a camera little girl. Remember, say me 18. Me adult.
Yeah, adults.
Yes.
You could be 70-year-old adult. And when from me depend this earth and you depend this earth, you'll always be my baby girl adult. Yeah?
Anyways,
Mm-hmm.
he saying your piece of money. Am I share you? He saying your piece of money if you give me some I want it.
Give me yes. This.
What have you do with this?
I don't know if you ask him.
No, I'm not this thing saying you give me. This can't even buy nothing, not even bag.
Me know.
No want it, take it back.
And not me in him because me just a messenger.
Me no want it. Me no want it. Go on it, you know.
You're lucky you get something from your papa. You know how many years you not get nothing from him and he come bring you this. Eh?
Me no want it. Put it back in your pocket.
No, no mingi. Are you?
It can't even
Me is
buy
just a messenger. Well, go to a cheaper shop. Go to the Chinese shop that can buy your bag juice and get your change. Yeah.
Me no want no $50. Me no look like $50 girl. You see like $50 can't mind me.
Hey. You're lucky.
See good money, yeah, man. Take back the piece.
Take
of
back
something.
every mickle make a muckle, yeah?
Hey, what about this? Me no want that. Yes.
What a way Jamaican money not acceptable in a Jamaica no more.
Good money this. Can buy grocery and clothes and do hair and lashes.
No, instead of do hair and lashes, go get a work, use it for taxi fare. Go get a work, go look a job. Go hunt a job.
Me no
or
want
go
no
start a business.
Me not have a business right now.
Alright, then use $100 invest. But you can't
No.
stay here forever, you know.
Me I go use it and buy grocery, do me hair and me nails and buy clothes. Can go party
So when the money done, what you gonna do after that?
me call him back for more.
You know how much years behind him be? Alright, call him back for more, man, and see how much years it is I got to take you for get. Start something for yourself.
Me no
Yeah,
want,
big woman, you tell me say you're a big woman. You still a move like picnic.
me no want nothing for myself.
So you know want something for yourself.
No, me no want nothing for myself right now. Oh, before me forgot. In this, he want me documents them so me can bring them come so he can get me a foreign.
Carry which foreign? Carry a which go which foreign? We did that? No. That's why me keep your documents, me keep your birth paper and thing. I don't know good man, that's why he can't come round me. He can't stop him for be around you, but he can't come round me. That is not a good man. Carry go which foreign?
But me no want Tanya nothing there.
Well, that's why I say start invest because you don't know when the next one I go come, you know. You don't know when the next one I go come. Cause that take 5-6 years for come.
No want
So
Tanya.
invest it and make it build. I might not know good man and him not take your girlfriend. If you go foreign, you go foreign and you own a 2 foot. It may all good for take your girlfriend and go and sell you out.
My father not do that.
My father not do that.
He not do that.
Him not do that.
No.
You don't know him like that.
Nah.
Me know him and me have my reasons why that can't touch my kin and come near me.
Kaya, never mind. But he not go do that.
You're right. You know, say you're right. No man, Sasha, you're right. I mean, I'm looking at your eye and when me say it. To convince you say you're right. Him not gonna do that for true. You know why?
Why?
Okay, not get no papers. You see, if you go foreign, you're gonna go foreign for your own a 2 foot them and your own opportunities them, or God help you with another extra opportunity. Then we can breathe easy, no say alright. Once you do with that, hey, you send me to my early grave. You send me to my grave early. That will sell you out, you know. No, I truly marry your father. I'm gonna tell you that, hey, my girl, you know what? Let me lift up because no, you're not going nowhere with him, yeah?
There is a top people traffic.
Hey, Rasta! Rasta! With the Rasta in the Rasta. Wagons.
There.
See how we the core backbone. Oh, your core in the backbone. More of my backbone for a long time, you know. You know, it's like one of the hippity dip and the dippity dip. Yeah,
And the
man.
do.
Yeah, and the do. Yeah, and like, you know, do. Yeah. I mean, you should have agree, you know, long time, but I say go.
No, sir, you
First
too
man
mix
win.
up for me.
Since a short man, I didn't really like, you know, and I really want a tall guy like me, kind of want me turn up in the night till daylight. You know, when I go a dead yard, I did it with the one cup around one night, I rock.
You really know about dead yard. I saw me here. So me no want that.
Anybody tell her that a liar, I told them, no good. That's how I did. Yeah.
But me hear say dead too often, man. Me no want man who dead. And a grave. Me
So
gonna be
what
a
do?
long time
You want me
dead.
walk on the road and it alive? No, if it
No.
dead, because guess what? Too many young people is on the road. I don't want my thing to get up. My thing not to get up unless me and my woman in a bedroom. It's when they go to work, my thing for dead. It's when they are coming, my thing for dead. And that's enough man them can control themselves and take a people girl picking it. And then look say, get up so. Sexy. Poor little people they don't understand what going on in their life.
I true that.
Okay,
And that
good.
me a talk.
Me control it,
me a
it
woman,
dead.
you know.
So anybody tell us say dead, tell us say me say if it always dead when me there on the road. Because a lot of people pass here, you know, if you get up, make them sit down
Well,
and say
that
they get up.
is true. But
If
the
it's
thing
still
is,
dead.
me I hear say it dead when if it's not dead. When if it alive and it for rise like the phoenix, at that time me hear say
Try
dog
it.
cat come.
So why you not try?
No sir.
Why
Too
you not try?
much my friend them talk about you. You're full of mischief and all you full of his chat.
So you feel like
and
you
you
go
not
around
back
and flash
nothing,
it around for every woman?
No, man, but you're just full of mouth. You're
No,
full
I'm
of
not full of
chat.
mouth.
And you're not people business too much, man. You love too much mix up, man. You're not lesbian, you know, man. Girl with woman. Only woman chat, so. Yeah.
A stick me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And a flat, a stick.
Okay, pencil.
Yes, it don't matter. It still have use. And it's still I go work.
But the pencil needs sharpening.
No worry about
the
that.
lead dull.
I know that more I talk about right now.
Mhm.
Sister Susie. Thief me man money and run off. Yes, run off like 6 people them with the man. True. And you know what happened?
Mhm.
Out of the 6 people, Lord of God, me didn't want to talk, come in and chat people business.
No, you
not do
chat
it.
people business. None at all.
Right, me as a man, me don't like mix up.
Mhm.
But out of the 6 people, you know how much I for the man? Lord of
Oh.
Yes, one guess me I give you.
Papa, man, me in a hurry.
One guess me I give you.
Me in a hurry, man.
One guess
Me
me
not
I
in
give
a people business. 4. Me not in a people
you.
business.
4? If I did 4, it wouldn't so bad.
Eh?
One picnic out of the 6 of the man.
Robert.
And it's the last picnic. The last one.
The black one that no look like him.
No,
Miss
between me
your
and you,
Jower.
we say cheer them picnic are for me, you know. Yeah, man, I believe so. The last one, me did think of mine, but trying to do the DNA now, my mind come on for that now, I don't feel me. But the other 3, I believe they are mine because they are my complexion and then tall like me.
Hi.
So, I believe they are
Well,
mine.
and you did go there?
Yeah, we go there every year. We go there until we top, you know. We cut off fight, you know.
Okay.
But what bun me now, how she rob the money and me not get no tight.
That
bun
bun you?
after me work so hard. Me used to wake up the yard and collect their money, you know. But the woman tricked me and tell me say one rat run on my bed, just come kill the rat and me go and me go in there. The woman naked, the woman drop the towel.
Hi,
And me couldn't control it. And me say, boy, sit down, don't get up. The woman grab it, and when he grab it, alarm does.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
As me going in 5 minutes, boop,
Oh God.
fly off.
Is that true then?
And then 2 weeks after, me see my mom vomit. Yeah. Me say, me just buy one bottle of champagne 2 weeks after. And say, boss, we are celebrate your wife pregnant. Oh, boy, me say, when me I celebrate with me, I run water. Because me I say, if I saw me I do somebody else husband, just imagine a man I do me that with my woman in the yard. That's why I had no man to work on my yard when they go work.
Oh God. Oh,
Because they would take your woman under your roof.
all especially when you not do it right. Not true. At that time they would take your woman. Not true. You can't have a man
Wow.
work in your yard.
Wow,
No man, but me agree with you.
No, me not agree with
No, but you know what to take it.
you. And the woman them fast still.
You don't want me again, Papa?
No,
You don't want me again?
No, me never want you.
You sure?
You take time
You
back.
sure?
No, one.
Bye-bye. You have to thank you though, can you put a smile on my face
man,
when
what?
me next? You sure?
Bring her money.
Go long.
Wow, you don't chat too much sometimes, yeah, man. Watch him. Sure.
I'm glad you're there in the yard too. How you know want to talk to too. Certain things are going around here, I'm gonna like it here. So make today be the last me hear your father name come out to your mouth and foreign and things to me. Here. Me don't want to hear about it no more.
Mother, you know, if you know, say daddy love you.
Me not done till you stop talk about him.
He so start write love letters and conky. Just wait. Daddy love you. So you must know what you want to do.
Me don't want to hear. Me tell you what me don't want to do.
Me
Me
say
don't
love
want to
you.
hear about him no more. You reach 18 now. He must start pay off him debt. He not reach it yet. I want to take you go foreign. If you forgot foreign, I gotta go help you. I gotta go help me or somehow, but you're not gonna know where foreign with him.
Mr. Daddy love you.
Where you come with that for? Where you come back with that for?
Cause I told the man love you and he so start write love letters and conky.
Oh, so I stutter me
Sure.
the stutter. I stutter when me tell you say me don't want to hear about him no more. Kibble your mouth.
What you all let me for? Feed truth.
Me don't want to hear about that, the junker, yeah? You see me talk to him, whatever, that's between you and him. But you see this foreign chat with him, and I stop your trafficking of my girl. But me know him. And me know him better than you.
Me say man love you.
Yeah, come out to his side. With that. Come on, don't tell you. And you see the next time two I make four, me don't want that this conversation again. Ever. Here. Lift up.
Me tell you say man love you, yeah.
Lift up, man. Lift up before me lift you up.
You don't know good man.
Me say if you lift up. I can come for Prince girl, man. Hey. My phone might be right, you know, yeah. I know how to make me smile. Girl, I don't me I tell you, me have a little me have a little gossip for you too. You know the one Suzette? Yes, man, the one there with the bragger picnic them. Yeah, Papaya tell me say she do DNA test. Only one belong to the man. A jacket and tie. Yes. Yes. She a real idiot. I ain't not get better than that. You know who the other three belong to? Not the one Papa him. I mean, no offense to Papa. Ooh. Yes, my girl, she hid it. I don't know what she gonna know. She have to go find the owner. But the one Papa him I take claim for three. Me know, like saying him a fire nothing but blank. Blank pencil. Alright. We have to go. But that's a come on one little attention. Alright. A little more before you're back, I'll tell you the rest. I wanna know.
What happened?
Oh God. We just are here. You know hear about Suzette. But the DNA test me there, and out of the 6 rugrats, one belong to the man. But still, she idiot, eh? How she could do DNA test and she don't know the real results, and she knows say there's a question. Oh well, but you depend.
But me like you talk and laugh on your phone though. As someone see and daddy live.
Let's start again. Where you depend now?
Me I tell some like you just talk and laugh on your phone a while ago. Someone see and they talk and laugh.
A Claire me I talk to. Your Auntie Claire, my best friend. How are?
And daddy me I talk about clear right now.
Pickney, come here. Me never tell you yesterday, said done the argument with that. What me say yesterday? Me I talk to myself, me I stutter.
I daddy me I talk to me not about no anti clear right now.
Yeah, I'll give the Pickney a second chance and take more drink as me drink. Figure time for your brain for locking. And you still come with the same foolishness.
I'm not fooling. I really talk.
Real talk this, eh? Me no want you already.
Mommy, stop it, me no.
So let me don't forget little sense in your Pickney. Eh? Now yesterday me come on and tell you the same thing. And you come with it again. How you love perplex people brain so? You want more? Mention him again.
Put down your dirty slippers.
Mention him again now.
Put down your dirty slippers.
Let me rise it again and see if I know my foot in it to you. I don't know what kind of dup it is.
You love rice your foot, them there so them all drop off. You love rice foot.
No give me no reason to. Don't give me no reason to. Here.
No, I get no reason.
Right, okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Sorry I do for you today.
Well, I might go check my little friend and put an extra smile on my face. And nothing now ruin my day, you know.
What's your girlfriend?
Don't worry about that. We have my friend. You think say you and say you and can catch man?
Oh, say, man. No wonder you know that if you come back here. Cause you have
Me tell you, little girl, run out far for this man. Every minute woman happy or complete perfect man. Come out to this man. Oh.
Daddy, why you not say over the me a come sell?
You mean, I sell him, tell me I have to go foreign. But go and pay documents them.
How come me a come over there for food?
Come over there for food them. Yeah, you say me I do it a while ago. Come say me I do it a while ago. Me I sell it. I don't own it anymore.
So yeah,
me I wait for. Me I got, I'm tell you say, me I go back over foreign and you better come down for.
Oh.
So where documents them there?
No.
We mean no.
You forgot to mommy for them.
Anyways.
Listen, me have a yard, you know. Me over there talk about how much he like, you know. And how he miss when I used to back it up on him. Yes. I'm sure one picture when you and I did a hug up on him and I tell me how him panty wet. So you have to go good and go check her, you know.
Should I miss them at all? Miss call or what? You shouldn't miss them. Or what kind of backup you at all? Like when you back up go drop off something?
No. You know what me talk about.
So you mean by panty wet? You need to water pan or something?
No, I wait for you.
Wait
He
for
miss
me.
you,
You
yes.
can't miss me. You must have my life change now.
Anyways.
You have sisters and brothers foreign wait for you want to meet you. What, come on. What?
Me tell you say I have to go good on your career, they miss you.
I don't have time for she right now. The people say me are you me a pray right now for go foreign. Different life for you. You can your bigger brother them and your sister them have some style. And she say yeah.
When this done with me, we go for the come meet them. But you have to go good on them.
No,
Good on go back it up on my if that not turn up you use your tongue.
Should I tongue them? Is that tongue yeah?
Yes.
Boy, it's not easy. Say it again. Home for use.
Me say, go and down go check her.
Yeah.
And if that not stand up you use your tongue.
You're right. What can come back here so? What kind of tongue me for use? Where you some for do again?
Never say no.
Oh. Come, people say me want. Come, go on down.
Yeah, let me.
You're too bright and no manners. You told me go for and go live me in a white boy, me a Jamaican same way. No ball, no ball, man, no ball. No manners.
No, yes, me.
No manners and half what you talk about you go for your mouth again. What go on now, babes? You say you come checking out, you say. Me about it, me talk big good things about me, you know.
Why you turn around for? Me never tell you, say. No mention him. Why you bring him around here for? Dirty dog, me tell you something, I want you, me don't want you, in my life, me don't want you, me here talk to pick the outer street, man.
Say that I tell life on you then?
Must say, me don't want you, me don't want...
Come make up back to it, man. Nobody move so.
Make up what? Yeah,
make up daughter we have.
Make up what?
You move so.
Let me tell you something. I have my king. Me don't want you. Better man look after me right now. Better man give me what me want right now.
But, you know, they might get what's left, but they just give me one thing get on done. What's left they want to get, you know? You say a bit in it and out it and in it,
so
you know?
me no want no other what left, eh? The amount of Jezebel and girls you suck out, eh? And then you're, no. What you really bring him round here for, Sasha?
You know
what you bring him round here for?
I papers in my compass still, because you know say that's what I got foreign.
Which papers?
The papers
Which
them,
papers?
they bring I got foreign.
What you mean? You figure what the judge say? Eh? How much time we go to court and judge tell you say you not fit enough to be a father?
That I did then.
Yeah.
No one know.
No one know. You not get no papers and you not get me. So come along. Lift up.
No,
bye.
Papers them come.
Hello, no man give me the paper them. You block me traffic. Me want go foreign. Me want left your so.
What kind of traffic you talk about?
Or she me talk to.
Future.
Yeah, future.
Future.
Yeah, block me future.
No, block nothing for you. What is for you can't undo for you. I true you not looking at the mirror hard enough, you know. You not realize, you know.
I mean, me looking at the mirror every day.
You me not give no papers for go away with what? With
No,
what?
the father. Look how much you can file for you too, you know. If it's
You're
not
not-
insecure.
You can go foreign. I would be so happy and proud for you all when you come back with your twang. But me not send you nowhere with that there. Eh? Looking at the mirror, my girl.
Mama, I'm looking at the mirror every day.
What you talk about?
What you talking about?
You still there in front of me.
You don't behave with yourself. Stop. Yes, stand up right here. Some mother.
You what?
No tight one and I stop my future.
Yeah,
Me want to go foreign.
Let go this.
Let go
Let go
what?
this. You each 80. Me will come to your eye and break your hand. Let go this.
Stop who?
Listen.
Let go this, man.
Give me-
Oi. I'm saying let go this.
Me say fi stand up.
Me a give
Girl, let go this. I want.
Me a give to you, you know,
Let go
little
this.
girl. Me and your mother, you know. Let go me, you know. Me unalive you, me give you life. And me will take your life, you know. You don't know me and who, you know, little girl.
Man.
Me a madu man, you know, little girl. Me a madu man. Eh? And you're bringing the crosses in the yard. And then you drape me up. You don't know me and who, you know. Me a madu man, you know. Me a madu man, you know.
Daddy!
No do it to me, you know.
Listen me out.
Daddy!
Oh.
I feel but I'm really
Don't touch me, man.
I don't know if I touch you.
Not touch me. Which
What you
part
mean
me
by?
stutter? Me stutter.
Just a while ago. Listen me, I come back a man for people.
Nobody come back, you're not cross the line. She at 18. You not have to deal with me, to deal with her man. You
Just
not
give me
get,
paper
you
and
not
tell me
get
this.
no
We never
paper.
do the-
For bring me picnic, go foreign to your concubine them. Eh?
Concubine them.
Me concubine them that me and you left for.
How about that?
You know, bring me picnic, go sell her out, you know.
Alright, listen, you know what?
18 or not, you know, bring me picnic, go sell her out.
Papers them to bring you.
Go looking at the mirror, man, and left me alone, man. Go looking at the mirror and find the truth, my lord. And left me alone, man. Leave me and me pick me alone,
What
man.
you talk about?
Go looking at the mirror and find the truth, my lord, and lift up.
You just stop me.
You're going inside, man. Hi. And before you go inside, you ever put your hand on me again? Unalive that.
Well, stop.
You pass your place with me, little girl. Right.
Mother. Listen, I'm sorry for Jacob, you know, and tell a lie. But I can't bother you. If you stop blind my future, man, see, my future mash up, I can't go nowhere.
Me now blight your future. I save me, I save you.
Anyways, my name is long talking. I go up on the road.
Swing bean, what?
You come like say every time I come check your fear yard, you always know me I come check your second time person.
Yeah, I don't really like him here. They beg too much. So talk on. Oh, hey, Auntie Laddie.
I remember about that one day.
Oh, talk on.
I say, girl, I get one new idea, but it don't work. I tell my father lies and mother say I want him back. And how she miss him. So me meeting when I go up the road and I came over my yard. One heap of tumble down, my love. My love. One heap of something
You
happen.
know, so sometimes I wonder if I buy them by your they switch at an hospital.
What you mean by
It
that?
have no sense.
Me no sense.
What you tell him, say?
Me tell him some mommy want him back.
After all those years?
Ah, she miss him and them something there.
You know, no sense, girl. Wait, they him believe you?
He did believe me can come over there.
Then
for
your
you.
papa no sense, see that too.
Oh God, don't know that's why me a damn idiot. If me a idiot, I hear me take care.
So it work out properly?
No, it don't work.
I put it for the girl. Some for eh? Some for
No,
food.
no.
Me hour.
Oh,
Me a
Sasha.
menke.
I'm
Eh?
a father.
What can I like come and tell me, say?
Look
Eh?
at you.
What you mean, boy? Go. Digga.
Hey, young man, what are you doing to this little girl?
Come for fish here too.
Young man, young man, listen.
Come, lift up.
Oh, hey.
Later.
I'm going to time my in that. Yeah,
Sasha. Come on there. How do you come to how are they? You're so like them big mad somebody there come up.
Yeah, right now, my mother.
What they?
Girl,
Mm-hmm.
my father fly down and find one day, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you come for me.
Mm-hmm.
My mama, she no want to give up my papers them so my father can carry me go foreign. I thought about say, oh, she now make him carry me go foreign because her body shape him will make me go over the go sell.
Your mother alright?
I don't know. That's a good question, but I don't know.
To be honest, right now foreign better than Jamaica now are we?
Girl, I want to go to that thing, but you man not give me pass. He not give me paper them. No, he not give.
Also just them there you want to go foreign.
Yeah, just the paper them no more. He man about everything already, just the papers them in hand. And she not give them up.
But you know no sense. You're food man.
What make me nonsense?
You don't know which one you mother keep it birth paper and send them.
Yeah?
So you black your own of traffic. You didn't know that? So you know say you could just take it up and carry go give your father. You didn't know that? That work, you know?
Right, it girl, I don't see a true.
Me know say true.
Actually, not
Yeah,
because...
well, like you know, just take your power when she asleep or something and just go on and carry go give your father. Simple.
I mean, I have to wait till I'm sleep either. I can't just take up and go again because she had it the day. She have a new man now, so from she meet the man, she had it in her yard.
That will, yeah, there you go. Go
Good, thank
towards
you
your
very
future.
much.
Yeah, alright.
Yes.
Go back son, come on.
Oh, step over one.
You come?
Just step up.
We really just come to
Food over yard.
listen, put respect to my name. Put respect to my name.
Step further.
Good.
Food over yard. Me hungry.
You're not too the last time you check your adult.
And the last time I check, you live under my mama roof.
Me not give a damn if me live on your mama roof.
You're supposed to cook, carry money in, buy food, and make sure me alright because my mama gonna work.
So you
And you are work and my mama work.
So you expect them to turn over yard and cook for the one big old heat how we are walking and take John Brown, Tom Brown.
Oi! Stop
Bam,
it right
bam,
there, stop it right
blam,
there, stop it right there, so. Me don't know who you think, maybe, but I don't even know John Ginger or Jim Brown. When me left the yard, where you think a man me go to? So when you left the yard, that woman you go to? So Stacey you go meet now.
Who names you?
Who name John Brown? Who name Jimmy Jumano?
Anywhere you go, John Brown name is the number one topic. If you go in a Western Union, yesterday show an example with John Brown. If you go to Monogram, I see anything. They show an example with John Brown.
Let me get a statement right. Me don't know what you think, maybe, but me don't know man mattress or no comment mattress. So when me left the yard, and my friend me ever walk upon, and God help me and she, cause me don't know she's so salty. I go through something there.
Hello, you know what I say? If you're on a young girl, you can learn to cook. Go over, light the stove. Put on anything where you put on, watch it. If you don't want to burn up, stand up over it until it's done cooking or move. It's when you see, do not move until it's done cook. Tired
Where you go now?
Me I go about my business, me and me one big man.
You know, so that's why you're stepfather and not father. Because you could never be my father. Me hungry. From morning, me not eating, you gotta send me around stove. Me when I don't even know if I like the stove.
Oh,
All when me at 20, and my mother roof I live under.
So what does have to do with me? Me and your mother did the concern, me and
So
your
let me
mother.
ask you, so when my mother got eat when she come in, she fi go over stove?
You see, that's why from you in a belly, and I tell your mother say, like how the father run off. Flash away and make me just give you.
Oh, my mother is an idiot. Any day me your man breed me and run off and me there with that in the man and the man tell me so me fi dash my pit. Me not me I left you. That's why you step on not real. You know, serve no purpose. I mean not running up. Me not run.
Say it again.
That's why you step on not real.
One night, the bright. You need to run. You need to run. Trying to be loyal soon. Yeah.
Oh, Shani's stepfather. Come here. Oh, where am I go? Shani's stepdaddy.
You don't know morning, afternoon, night. You don't know none of that something your mother no brought up. That's why your mother, you see your mother, and them you know, cause the reaction we don't know come have no manners. Eh? You know where your father?
Me call you come here.
You know your father? How your mother the hide you. Your mother the hide things, so you know where your father?
Sorry. Me call you come here and lecture. Where are you lecture me from?
Where
Yes, me know my father.
Where your father?
Jawbone.
Low.
Sure.
Where your father?
Jawbone.
Where you think say your father?
Cause that my mother say my father.
Hey, anybody jacket chuck them there, I them there.
So
Anybody jacket chuck them there, I them there.
So what
Me just have pick them up so. Every father has them look for the gelding chuck. I'm gonna drive you up. Like you look on Jabon and say Jabon your father something alright.
Anyways. I mean, I've been there going, but me thirsty and me talk. I can't get that for my water. Please.
$1.
Yeah.
Me not no change. Else me not give the dollar. Me not have a change. Yeah, or next time me give $1. $1. Why? At least a big small still.
And a $1.
Oh.
$1 can't even buy sweetie.
You say you have beg $1 to buy a juice, right? A Jamaican, me there now. You say you beg. Me know say Jamaican you ask her. Me not have $1. I tell you I don't have no change. I can't change $1,000 for $1. I can't go and shop go buy something for $1 and get back $9.99. You hear?
Yeah.
So you have to learn before you come on the road and beg. You how much?
18.
You are 18.
Yes.
You can cook? No, you can't cook then. You can wash?
Yeah, we can wash.
You can wash.
Yeah.
Where you wash first?
My panty them.
And then from the panty to what?
My clothes.
So you know no bra, you know wash bra.
No, I'm not wear bar, I wear body clothes.
So you know wash your body clothes before you wash your clothes then.
No, washing machine wash them. I thought I'm washing hand.
With hand.
Yeah.
Wash your jaws then.
Yeah.
You use scrub brush.
No, I can't use brush pan to make out clear the tin.
You just use the soap and wash it.
And fab.
I know me know how to get germs and nasty looking. Why you had? What? You know nasty, disgusting. Man know what kind and can wash out them the middle panty there. And I scoop like what? Eh? Yeah, scoop.
What a sweet pig.
Evening. What?
What me do you, Lord? What me do? Every time you try to get little joy in my life, you say me cross with you. What you want?
So me can't call for my friend.
So if you look for your friend, what you do yourself?
So I'm look for you. Me know which part to find you. You give me a number. How me I go phone you? You change all the old time number when you used to have.
And you still not get the hint.
What kind of hint?
Papa, the only reason you come round on my yard is when you want something or you carry news.
Well, I kind of half right. You kind of half right.
Me not nothing figure, me try.
No, I know that. Me no want nothing from you, you know. Cause right, you know you that take $1 from me right now. If your daughter can be $1, You will take
Now
a
rank
dollar.
yourself with me, but my daughter beg you $1.
Me say me just wrap up my stepdaughter a while ago. Right? Kind of bright and face, the big old 20-year-old and me if you took 4 game. While in Gantep, man. Me see your daughter with 2 boys and I come out of an unfinished building there. I'm not talking about 3 boys because him not come out. And just see 2 of them come out. Pull up pants and she a jump or look up. Me never underpants or washing her. But it just looks scary. And the bonnet, me don't know what it is. Why these girls nowadays are wearing bonnet right through? I want them friend and them natural here.
Why you love people business so much? And most of the things you chat the
Our
true,
people
you
business
know.
love me, you know. Our people business love me. Me no love people business and me no chat people business.
No, you come find yourself clear me yard, Papa. Me in a my friend, you know, me in a my private conversation.
Anyway, why you don't get the picking documents them? Make your father taking God
But you know about that.
Let the people business come to me. Me no run down and me no chat people. You notice me not chat nobody. You notice me not chat nobody, me just say something. Hold on, me answer that phone here.
Can't you
Hello.
see that?
They hang up.
And you still not get the message. People don't want to talk to you, Popeye.
What?
And come out to my businessman. Is she me if send my one daughter go there? Him not include minor when she before she 18.
Relax
He don't
yourself.
know nothing about minor. You know you want to talk people
Well, let me see if I
business.
find her number. Oh, me can't. Me didn't think me have it. Sorry. Me didn't think me have it. Me didn't think me have it. Me not have it. Me not have it. Me didn't think me have it. Me that show you approve with the eye come out with the two.
Mommy!
Yes.
Baby.
That's why I say a good girl. You know. She's a good,
No,
respectable girl.
you just said something right now, so defend me.
What happened?
Me I tell
Defend
them and I
it
say, if you give your father the document, so your father can take it to foreign. Because you're a good, intelligent girl.
Yes.
And you're very intelligent. And
Come out, I'm a family business, yeah?
what kind of family?
Please and thanks. You're not response for this and this now have nothing to do with you. I have 3 people involved in this topic and you are not one of them. Come out to my family business, man.
Mommy,
You
if you
love
give me
chat.
papers, them for choose. Yeah. I want to fly out. I go in the sky.
Get your opportunity. Get your work. Get your job. Get some other opportunity other than the
Me want
deadbeat. Me now
apply,
send
me
me
want
over
apply.
there for Google
I
Lost.
want to fly out.
Yes, you're gonna fly out. Me not stop you.
I don't want to stay here, so.
Me not stop you. But you're not going with that the junk crowd.
I hear me I go with.
Yeah, me want to know how when me have your paper. So go along then now.
Okay.
Grow wings now, let me see your wings. Spread your wings and fly then now.
I don't know wing right
Tuck up your wings them and spread them and fly,
I
man.
can't go in the house because I can't bother with you right now.
Hey, how are you doing my picnic? Hey, how are you doing my picnic?
What? Why you tear off me by the off of me, sir?
No, me understand. No, me understand why I don't wear
Come out to me
bonnet.
yard, man.
No, me understand why I don't wear bonnet.
Come on, man. Nobody not send call you. I'm gonna show
What?
me call. I'm gonna definitely call the
Why?
phone.
No, me understand why you put on bonnet.
No, me see what make a damn front teeth.
Go on, me will deal with
Go on.
it. Don't ever do that
I see
again,
that,
you know.
You know, and see a part. Yes. No, me see.
Now come do that in me yard again, you know. Not touch
Anyway.
my picnic, you know.
Anyway, we're not talking about that. Hey, my stepdaughter mother, you know, since she not there, she there fine, right? And a long time, you know, do nothing. So, me and your friend long time, I will know one another, right? You know, so me not cheat. But you can squeeze piece give me for now. And when the woman come back, we left, right? Cause I no born that, you know, I no born me a girl. She there foreign, right? Me no know she do a foreign. Me there and you there. Sometimes you know you want to get water. And me there have the hose. So all you have to do, and link me down the yard, me send on my stepdaughter on the road. You give them the money, they go shop and do what they want to do, and me go and do the do.
1,
Huh?
2, let me get to 3, I'm gonna tell you the answer. Papa, lift up out of this. Lift up. You may look like horse to you. Me look like cheap horse to you.
alright.
Lift up, man. dirty dog. Like some me not have my good man to look after me. Sasha, come let me talk to you. You see the picture you sent me now? Oh Lord. Well, me when I got to do that there? She inside.
No, me not come to see this time. You may come to.
I don't know where you come to me from. Me and you know.
Come out of your phone, man. Come out of your phone,
What you
man.
want?
What you mean, man? More the papers, them. You mean, you want the papers,
You're
them?
deaf as well as stupid.
Deaf I'm stupid. Listen, man. Me tell you, come around and go around and back and forth thing with the rest. Give me papers, them, man.
Where you did there
Where me know
when
me did there?
Sasha was born. Where you did there when she little. Where you did there when she grew up. Where you did there when school uniform.
Listen, man. You know what type of work I do. So you know, so I can't stand when I back and forth. To make it bread. And look how formation of life now. So I can't sit up, bam, and bring. How much man you know? We're uplifting our life. The company people bring me go far to make a thing with life.
You're a taker, best style. Huh? A picnic, you want a picnic, you get a want, you can't get
two
it.
over there already. This one I know.
No, see you
one
not.
so the one I can. If you listen, man, if you go over there and like you can come back in. I don't have a problem with that thing. Really, me want, you know. Just listen, man.
Yeah, exactly. I know you want her.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want her. I forgot to no.
No, chef, no, if family them.
You give you a picnic and you know one race picnic.
What do you mean
you
by
just
me
want
no race
picnic for
picnic?
style. Come
What
here,
kind of
big daddy can't look at me not shoot no blank, eh?
Well,
You think it's a picnic for Christmas?
if you say one picnic, a picnic. Me have two more of foreign.
Yeah, you don't mind them
What do
neither.
you mean me not mind them neither? What do you mean me not mind them neither?
What you do you then? What you picnic
come
yam
for
for
she.
dinner? No. Better life
Yeah,
we
hold on
do.
picnic in life, man.
Hold on,
Hold him down.
me protect her.
Protect him
And I
from what?
save her from you.
what?
We know what kind of work you want her to go over there, you know.
Kind of work one.
Like how she young, black and beautiful and have a little mosquito bite them. Eh? You can't even make a little mosquito bite them grow into a wasp bite first.
What you try to tell me?
Well, yeah. Me know you know.
What you tell me? I pimp.
If the cat
They
fits.
go pimp out my daughter. Eh?
Come out to me, yard,
Before me come
man.
pimp
We
out
don't know
you, if
what
you don't want
me
pimp
do.
somebody. If you don't want pimp, me come pimp you.
Hey, you can't get me again.
Look much
Me
money
learn
now.
my you think
Much money me have
you think say
for
chicken
me.
feed a girl?
Jamaican say me can't something. And give one ketty, one trip. They say, oh, come on, we got far then.
Go look after your picnic them your brother
alright
and
over there
Alright, what
already.
them yam?
What do you mean
What them yam?
Still.
Okay, how you know?
Come I can't tell her that. I'm pay for that.
Oh, how you know?
I'm
Go look
me
after the
pay for
picnic
that.
them you have. She a
Get
big
the
woman now.
Big man, get you.
Remember that come in the yard again,
Listen,
man. A
me
couple
can't
pets
bother
with them.
back and forth. It's not hard,
Me would dash
hard,
dirty piss
hard.
pan you, you know.
Dirty piss pan who?
Come in the yard again and we chop piss water pan you. Me and you now
Yeah,
for
people
talk.
have not look over your argument. Yeah, I'm here, man.
You should have known about
Take the
paper
papers
when
in, brother.
she
Come on,
young.
left right now.
Met me.
Where you left?
Met me. She hear you out here, so, oh, Sierra. I don't know why you can't meet her
Well,
at the
out there,
street.
sort of.
Why you enticing me? I no go to walk and thing out the street, me not stop on the front talk. Why you have to come in and come perplex my brain?
Get the papers there, I'm to forget yet.
She not give me them.
You not find them.
She
You're
not
not
give me
going
them.
to either.
She hide them.
Oh dear, oh shh.
But me not say I hold on in your life no. You hold on. You hold me down. What make you know when me travel? Tell me.
Me tell you something, you can't travel.
Why you don't want me to go travel with my father? Why?
You can travel, you can do the world. Not with that. Can lick from this. When you trap over there and a ball or nose knot and eye water. Me can't help you. Coming on no visa, me can't help you. You got stuck over there. Save me and save you. Me I tell you, I'm not gonna look in the mirror and come out to my face, man.
Every day I talk about Miriam.
You go looking at it, you go looking at it, you can find the, go solve the code. When you solve the code, you come out to me live.
Hold on, because Miriam come on phone, you know.
You know, say you not stop hold me down for the day me bad. You not stop hold me down.
Black and bushy and some little bit now one style. What you mean? Crack piece of code, but I'm not code fully. Talk to me now, man.
Lift up. And that the talk me I talk to
Think
you.
good.
Lift up and don't come back here.
So
So me
pass
have the
up the
chimney
papers,
full
no?
for you. Me I save the chimney for you. Me I save the chimney
wanna
for you.
come back?
Come back, man.
Bring your papers.
Come back, man. Come back and see if you not get the chimney. All you.
Pass up the papers them so me can go. I'm here. How are you now? Want me go? What happened?
Little girl. You want to continue to breathe?
Me want go away.
You want to continue
Me
to
no
be
want
able
to
to
stay
breathe?
here, so yes,
You-
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
when
tell
me,
you if you say, go along then now.
then give me my papers. Then
If you
I
go with
can
him, you
on.
must be mad. You got to thank me later. Go along. You dead beat Papa wait for you. Go along. You make him wait. The mother make him turn back around and come and wait for you.
He not got to come till me get there.
Well, me I go tell him say, him come me I go dash dirty piss in him face. Me want him already. Oh. Come mix up my notes. Chop.
But watch out, Jamboard. To me last, you know, 100,000 just get a while ago. I can look at it and smile. When I can have a woman, I call it, I send her money for you. Eh? I said, go. As much as we hate you, we are still telling her. But, the reason why me hate him, I'll tell you why me hate him.
Yeah, tell me now.
Because you really want to know. But he's the top perplex woman, you are the woman left. Top perplex her about now, documents and this and that. Me want her to top perplex her, because every time I look at her,
Hold on, stick up in. You want her.
yeah,
But remember say you have filming. So if you want the
you sure it's a faith.
Say me know say have filming.
You and I go to hospital, go push it out.
Me not figure out stuff because I mean not the pushing. She already pushing. Me done left in her belly already. She can push it out.
What time you left in that belly?
What time
What time you left it? What time you fertilize? What time she start vomit? What time she have high fever? What time she start go to clinic? You know all of them stuff there?
The same time when she got clinic and same time everything happened at the same time man.
That with you, you see you. You see, on a man, when you not take up, oh man, I'm not sure, oh man. You didn't do, you ever, look at time, I ask if you didn't do that, you know, look at time.
I mean if you do that, I can't look and see to see how me.
Anyway, another one talk about, top perplex time. You know why you have
No, me not perfect sir. Remember, listen, watch you know. When she just born, you know, she could have flag off her and didn't know him for time being. So she had go to school same way. So you know, so from she had go to school, she go to school and done school and got foreign.
Oh, so I don't, sorry.
Yeah. Cause if Benji I met daddy, nobody feel like Benji I met daddy. You thought about 100,000. I use me deal with daddy. Yeah, but yourself a juice, what that?
One bird can't fly for 1 minute.
Alright, me back. Keep walking.
Because we say bird can't fly for 1
But
minute.
make you have bills. If you can't, you bust in a half, 15, in a 1 half, 15, fine, and try a flap.
Alright, give me back.
No, you lose it.
No man, give me
No,
back.
man,
man.
you're ungrateful, man.
That's why young man go get jacket. And that's why other man get jacket because the mean and mangy. That's why they come on to uno to spend money on the two mangy.
What you mean by
But they know people money you borrow and account to
people
people.
money, me
And you know what I mean? Now go $100 US. You see you?
People
You're smart,
money.
you know. You're very smart.
What you mean by? Listen, my man. I work my money, you know.
Daddy, can you reach a bit?
What kind of question I have to say?
Okay,
Oh, I pay up and over for my yard. What do you yard?
up a yard, me did that come.
Oh.
Backside,
Yeah.
you're the head man.
Yeah, me do me.
She do her head.
How are you doing?
Yesterday, I went to see the part. You don't see a part?
Oh, in
You
most
know,
quality.
yes. So I did look. Anyway,
Daddy,
What?
no dollar to buy something. No, great.
backside.
Dada,
Mommy not give me nothing to eat.
me give your mother every month if you get, your mother have that.
Well,
Until
nah,
me
give
get
me
until me get in
nothing.
ducks, you know, put no much about no money, you know.
Yes,
Cause me?
Yes, sleep on the dock. Yes, sleep on the dock.
What you mean?
Are you interested to fly out here quickly at 18 now? What happened? How?
You may happen.
Why you want to fly out them a time I hear you? Why? How what happened?
I'm not
Left arm make the man then get up and fight man. How what?
So what you tell me say? Yeah, you don't got a person. Me and my ensure that you got jail. If
Yeah,
I
yes,
hear a
you
name
are.
call upon it,
Fly
it
18
will
now.
be 20.
We can't look alright
Me
then.
have a good lawyer, you know. You have
Anyway.
money, you have money, can buck up a talk?
This is girl have muckers.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Listen man, when me gonna do, so me gonna
Yeah,
talk,
come
somebody
on,
around me and I'm
Daddy, me hungry.
Me say go to your mother.
You watch it.
Nah, give me nothing to eat.
You know about Maury show?
Who?
Maury show.
Maury.
Uh-huh.
Think me about Jerry.
No, me don't know Jerry shit right now. And it's not a mix-up business. I don't know bullshit me I talk about right now. Me I talk about Maury. You need to check that.
No, I need to pick out Maury man.
Daddy, me very hungry.
Me say go check your mother for that.
He nah give me nothing to eat to death.
Well, after the one them get the papers and me gain the money you want.
You know how me I look at that? Me just a think about the little black oysters them.
Me I can't go down back.
You know, go on.
You know,
It's big
cool.
people are reason. Go on down.
You ugly cow.
All this she say you're ugly, you know. You just look at she and I wonder who she feel right now. But me I tell you the truth.
My daughter says that, you know.
Me I look at her and I feel like you might water the belly.
Yeah.
But she's not here.
I feel mate, man. Me sure, 100% sure. If you keep on talking about that, me go sue you for that.
You know mind?
You know mind?
One of mine somebody can make a quote out a long time want make a money. Can me go there?
I mean, I really sue you, know.
Huh?
I really sue you, me to have money.
Yeah, but when you go there and you sue me if you tell the truth, because I sue you now, if you try, if you sue me, if you tell the truth. So you go both ways. So
really?
try. That's all you're telling me.
I feel me go there, me post off the night and then after,
And you did the right through the 9 months.
eh?
You did the right through the 9 months.
I can't afford.
Liar!
What me my liar?
Me over there. I watch your picnic there, according to your picnic. Your picnic nappy. I watch your picnic because the mama couldn't wash. The mama is sick and I'm me cook. I know how much money she look for me and give me the day. 100 Jamaican dollar to buy one drink. And the kind of drink ain't cheap. One. Take yourself one, because that's why uno man go forever get jacket. On the on top get jacket.
The jacket can run necessary. I look here, see, we hope we are like.
What you do for that stuff?
But they are lecture people. What you they do out of the yard?
Me hungry. I'm not they done there for eat.
Lecture. Oh, you want my brother. Yo, wait, let's go back to you. Give me a second. I'll be back. Wait a second. Money for my burger. Don't move. Turn up right after. Don't move.
Hold up me and find out. There's no real context so long for I want to look up $1,500 counting when we just go buy one burger. Me don't know time, but me know more than an hour me to get suffer. Why oh why? Beside me, you have to pick up a good man, you know. Because every man must pick up an idiot. How in this so long? Kuwende mala bal na mustama. Masin may box ay dana. Miss Charmian.
Yes, baby.
Hi. Yeah, me kinda alright. I see Mr. Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
He said if you kinda try to sell him a come with the money for me go buy a burger. But about 3 hours, 4 hours now, I don't know time me saw me because a long time. So we did a count how much time in bamboo swing and I passed 5,000.
Judge,
Me no know.
him have you out here so it, but you don't know him by now.
The same soon come.
You don't know him by now, and him have you out
No.
here like an
He
idiot.
said soon come and somebody did a pass and me think say telling you and telling lady something.
Hey, and when he move, when you ask him for the money,
You better laugh off of me, you know.
Oh God, baby, me not laugh after you, but if you know what me know.
You say me
Go
not really
on.
like talk to people.
No man,
How you
go
fit tell
on.
me if you go, hey, get back your $1,500. I $2,000.
How much?
$2,000.
$2,000. All right, turn up there. Hold on. Me I go find your stepfather gate you. Hold on, turn up there. Wait.
So you take me for idiot too? No, it come like take me for fool marking on my forehead.
Papa, you know, see, as I with people, because you set that up this and say, share with how much hours
Oh, you
for you to
gone.
come back.
You know what happened? You can't blame me still, you know. Girl to me this time from me I talk to your workplace man. But we can say, we know your eye secret, you know.
I know, Mama. Go on.
And you give me father's card in 2 months. But me deep down, me know say the picking of you.
What's my business,
Me
man?
love people business and me always
You
right.
for mind your business and look after your step pick day.
Listen now, let me tell you why
she.
she tell us away from me now. She know tell me about she hungry, right? Half a minute say meet their yard, you know, season their yard. My mother send me 100,000, you know, a while ago when you there so. But that have to do something different. So she, you know, come with hungry. I look like you want to tell me 100,000. She want burger, right? They have everything in the fridge. Remember, you know, the burger in the box, the chicken burger box? Me buy that. Me buy a pack. Me buy franks. The only thing we fit that is ketchup. So I check the little brute and say, yo, we left me I come. Told burger you want? Soon come, don't move.
Oh.
So I go to the supermarket to gain the ketchup to go up cook because food not taste good without ketchup.
That's true.
So I'm gonna get this car even if you boil hot dog, it have ketchup. But it does stupid. And the best thing when you buy ketchup and you know no pepper in it, you throw the pepper sauce down in it and shake it up.
And you make fashion.
Work out with it. You look young, if you are 20 years old, you go look work.
That's true. She asked me for burger money and me leave her standing them to take a leaf out to feel boo.
Right. But anyway, I tell the man the truth, though. Tell the man the truth.
Come on to the business, man.
You know?
Go feed your stepdaughter, she hungry.
Alright, you don't know who
Go
hungry.
feed your picnic, she hungry. Come on
You
to the
don't know
business.
who hungry, yeah?
Come on to the business. I
I
go
will,
feed your
hey,
stepdaughter.
say something again. Make a mash up with the ketchup.
Go feed your
You think how
stepdaughter,
we
she hungry. See me here.
think how you lift up your foot for me, the other
You
day?
want me to do it again?
Hey,
We can do it again, you know.
Man, man.
Me Karachi, you know.
We just
Me Karachi,
bust
you
you up
know.
like that, yeah?
Eh.
We got to get you!
What is that? This come out of people business, you fruit, you hey. Yeah. Me know him bright and fresh. Things to me I go farm fool and send my one baby go foreign with him. And him now go my exactly. No. Yeah, girl, me have that one lock. Between you and me hide the papers under the in the drawer and put some clothes on it. No man, Sasha nah go in there. And she afraid I walk like a what? Me, if you take my one picnic and go foreign with that the dirty dog, eh? And when him gone girl in and leave her, forget about her. And me can't do nothing, me can't even go help her. No sir. That's why I'm lock down the papers. Me not no idiot girl. Eh. Mommy. Hold on. Alright, let's phone you back.
Mommy.
Oh.
Yeah.
What happened?
Daddy just called me a while ago.
You come to flex me with
Listen,
that
man,
dog.
listen, man.
What?
Yeah. He might fly you back. But he
You
might
nah go with
listen
him.
to me, no, man. He might fly you back. But he might go and marry some money. He might give half my money. So you can use your money to take care of me.
You may give me half of money for.
You know how much I have for money be? $5 million.
When him get that the greater money for?
Me no want know where he get it from, but him a fly out, him a go and see if he run come for it now. I go right
$5
now.
million?
Yes!
Me not trust you, know, but me nah make him miss me.
Yeah,
alright, tell me the
hurry
end.
up.
Soon come.
You think me a idiot? Think you and my father go and left me? I'm going to go away.
Oh, you me I look for.
Where you looking for?
Where you know it broke me I look for you for?
What your problem?
My daughter say, for we daughter say, you call.
I feel we know.
Well, she tell me say, you call her and say me for come down because you have money for me.
Money for
5
who?
million for me because you have fly out.
Come out your son. Come on, take care of your heart. Come out your son, man. Take care of your son. Take care of your son. Alright? You alright? Me, I go look on you and give $5 million. Think about that,
Me
man.
never believe it, you know, but me say me nah make it pass me. Because me no know.
You know, afford about to take up pass because you will never get the money from me. Me, I go
Me
look on you
know,
and give $5
man,
million.
because how you are going to get 5 million?
No,
Although
me have more than 5 million. But me not give you 5 million. You're crazy.
then give shorty. Can me go up at the house? Me go up at the house, go look for you. Me see soul, you know. Me see the soul sign. So you have money for your daughter. So print it up for your daughter.
I also watch up there. And on my house, me tell you right now, it's not mine. I will stay in the house till the people are to sell it, make up their mind to sell it or what. You know, sell it or I'm going to rent it or I'm going to lease it. But they make up their mind, I'm going to sell it and just move out.
Oh, somewhat you want such a passport, because that's your passport. Because you don't know where to go.
What do you mean by
so
that?
you go use me picnic to find somewhere to go. You know, go happen, you know.
Me, I go use it to find something to go.
Like how you use everybody else.
Who is everybody else on dude?
You use a job and that's why I can't be with you, man. You use everybody, you use and done.
Hold on. In the first place, me look when you tell us me have both of this. Me tell us you're mine.
Yes, sir. I feel your place. You tell me how much years ago, sir, I feel your place and you run off the place and everything. Let me believe you.
Yeah, me a run off the place. Me a run off the place for true. But tell us I'm mine. If I build a house here. If I want to piece of house over so. That's why I want to take him over there so he can get his name in it too.
You don't need my daughter over there for put her name in it. Put her name on it and then come show us so we're serious. When I name them on it with JP and Lion and Judge signature.
I'm in Jamaica, you know. Over so. I'm not Jamaica.
Hey, you don't need her to go over there. I'm not sending
You're good man, but I'm not 5 minutes to get though. You can't go on back for your yard.
Ross.
Or go on where you go my car. Anyway you was going, you can go. About $5 million. Take him too. I run and come down about you want 5 million. Hey. Guys, I lie. I don't tell me about 5 million. Tell him some is lie, man. Yo.
Daddy,
What want to daughter?
I'm a mediator down there, so
Yes, man, she see one tell me about $5 million. Who you talking about $5 million about learn? Me tell about 5 million. What's a lie?
listen to me now, man. I'm a chicken.
I tell about 5 million. Tell us something different.
No, that's
What
not.
about this now? What is it now?
It's something they tell me, so I'm fed up. Yes. Come on, look in the way.
No, shut up your mouth. Look out for your mother.
You know, look for no mother. I'm foreign me I go.
Your man, keep us dead. What is that?
Money. Money. Yes. A foreign money that.
You know, just where that money can come from?
I don't know name, so.
Oh, you soon know all this, huh? Yeah, man. Mom make up food.
Alright, man, me anxious. So I put the work in the front. So when I go for it now. But this I can't. Go book your boat
Say,
and
hold
come
this
on.
up. Spin a roll. Up here, we go. Come, spin a roll. Walk up.
Walk.
Evelyn.
Yeah, man, you.
I'm gonna sit for morning, girl. What happened?
Girl,
Huh?
I know. The
about
last
that?
day you see me.
Why?
Because me go on the boat. Me fly away.
From boat? Which boat?
Then
You
no
have
boat.
to on board. You know
Then
that
the different no boat me fly away on a war.
we are going to boat. Banana boat, you talk about.
Which banana boat? No boat them I see.
Oh, we are go out time is like ocean.
You will catch
No.
fish.
Me a go foreign girl.
Pan
Banana boat. Matter of fact, we think I take off and but listen, I better cut the egg them too fast here. So when I come, the egg there we hatch.
Remember
No
that?
count you right now. When I mother come, she will hatch egg for you. Egg cannot hatch right now.
Wait, my phone a vibrate. Wait. What problem?
Where the look, girl?
Me that about my business.
Oh, you feel like say, guess what? I got good news.
Okay, good for you, your good news. What is the good news?
You want the bad or the good? Because I have good and I have bad.
Park and hurry up.
Which one you want first?
Anyone.
I remember give both of them in a one. I'm your daddy. I'm your papi.
You wanna be?
I find the papers and your mother confirm and say, yes, I finished.
Stop wanna be. Man, take good if Daniel. You know me poopa, ya me step poopa. I pick me go breed woman. As me I said to you, girl.
How are you?
I mean that is stepfather. But
Jesus. But you have to bring him in my yard. I say you hate me.
I mean I like me show me.
No, baby love. You're welcome.
Mommy, me say me a go foreign half boat.
Hatch egg
Yes.
for you now. Hatch egg for you.
Me find it. Me a go foreign.
Hatch egg for you, please.
See your phone like the for your phone. Your phone like a ring.
Me say hatch egg for
Phone like the for
you.
your phone like it a ring.
Hey, Charmaine! I got good news, girl.
What kind of news you have? Me and my own things are
Yesterday, the girl me I stay with the mother and said money come give me. I thought it was my step, but it's not my step. I'm the full suit. It's my child. Me find the documents them in a one corner the girl. Half for me pitney. And the mother confirmed me say half for me pitney. That's why she did send me a big amount of money to take care of them. Me I say yes. But guess what now no?
Whoa.
Susie now. Remember somebody said half for me cheap pitney them?
Hey, you don't know you pick me then.
Guess what? You want to hear what happened?
Go on.
Somebody do.
When the keep burn them out, man.
I wouldn't
let me get the news. Wow.
I wouldn't in that back
No
girl.
matter, no matter. Go on. Susie.
The man come do DNA for the cheap pitney them will favor me and I for the man them. The man gone foreign with them.
You're brute, yo. Eh? The ones them you claim a feel and not feel.
Yeah, but yeah, no.
Me a go foreign.
Me at least me get one, right? Yes.
None.
Good.
Yes.
Hey,
So you not,
make sure.
you not give me the son.
Do what?
The son.
Do what?
You not give me the son.
Listen, me have my own things to do.
Mommy,
Time
come
to
and
put the
find
little
fun.
smile
Me a
and the
go
little
foreign.
tapas.
Come
Let me
deal
go.
with this matter. Foreign me a go pub. What? Oh, me forgot to see a plane. Sorry. Me a
What
fly
you
out.
do with that?
Hatch egg for you, the cause.
What you do with
Me
that?
find me.
Hatch egg for you.
Honestly, me a go foreign. Mommy, me a
You know,
foreign.
see this, so you don't fall, little girl. That's why me tell you to leave things alone.
When by don't fall. Mommy, me say me find Canadian money. Canadian.
Idiot. A Barbados money that.
Yes.
Why
I
you
need
really
a
need to
Barbie.
fly?
There's no Dominic. Art.
Me find.
Oh, Dominican money.
Yes, Dominican.
Yeah, idiot friend.
Yes.
So me take you see what you know that.
Me see why not
So what you still do, ya man?
The egg hatch.
What you still do, ya? If you see what in the envelope, lift up.
Not saying that I got foreign.
Mommy, see me passport.
And the passport that Mr. Bird paper.
Yes. Bird paper.
Me a fool friend, but me a
That's
fool.
how me could have fooled you and think say, make you think say she feel.
Yes.
No say fool could come back and fool. That's true.
Girl, me glad to me. Me glad to me a fly out. Girl, me
My
glad.
last name, hey, hello, you can't read. My last name is Bones. Look
See,
for
a big bones that.
You can't read neither.
You see Henry, your father.
You can't read.
No? Henry, you're blind and see it. Jones Henry.
Why you
Only
think
have
me
John
did I
Henry.
tell you to keep him
sir,
out of
come.
my sight?
Let me read
Looking
this.
at the
You
mirror.
have a plan, you know, so now I'm picking for a long time.
Only have John's hair.
You can't make
A
that
pick
own.
me you want, a pick me you get.
You can't make it my own.
Eh?
Miss
And I
Charmian.
you want.
Miss Charmian, I don't mean to be disrespectful, but
girl.
Keep her back.
a pitney you want, but a jacket again.
Jacket, tie and coat.
You can't make a coat. If you didn't pay much money back in our time then, we come and give about 3 years worth of money other day.
But that's a go. Me tell you
You're not gonna foreign. In can't file for you, your
Look
jacket.
for me. That
Yeah,
is
you're
not
stuck
there.
at Jamaica.
Your father
Excuse
is a Dominican man.
That's why it's on, so.
Your father is a Dominican
So your father
man.
they know.
Your father named Mark Joseph.
Yes,
So when
that
they
me
know,
saying
Right?
girlfriend
Mark
for me, got
Joseph
Dominic.
Henry.
When they know,
Him gone, him dead.
just talk your friend. Me and you are Jamaica.
Me and him did that do your big girl now. Me and your father, your real father, did that do. And him catch heart attack in bed and dead even a me.
Miss Charmian,
Eh?
I heart attack.
When we get over that, 2 weeks later, I find out so I'm pregnant and I meet him. And
Miss
I tell him
Charmian.
so I want him and him tell me say he want pick me, so I give him pick me.
Me I go home.
He's a wicked.
But me want to be truthful to you. And the heart attack in catch her and that is so kill him.
Little girl come out of this. I come out of big people argument.
And that's why I did all this.
Take care and take care of your business.
That's why me I tell
Daddy,
you.
come back, Daddy. My mother's away.
You still on the sorry?
That's what you do, man.
And you do it. If you never fast, where you go fast and find that? That's why me not trying to protect you
Why me
from.
cannot get jacket?
Huh? Not trying to protect you from this. That's why audience pick me for feel. Nobody never send you in my panty drawer. Or my dirty panty drawer you going at too. Well, what is in the dark if you come in at the light, at least me not have to deal with the dirty jawbone again. Long time I not see the money still, you know.
Yeah guys, so I nearly made it to the end. So I'm wanting to comment with the best part and when you like about the movie and then something there. And I know I haven't been posting for a while, but my day here back now, so I'm brand new back. Respect for your support, all of you.